f of x is equal to x square minus 49 divided by x minus 7 if x not equal to 7. 14 if x equal to 7. This is just simple question only, but it's a type question. If you directly apply LHL or RHL in the function, LHL or RHL you can put only on the top part because not equal to is given. Not equal means not 7, it can be before 7 or after 7. So in both cases, what you would be getting is, you will get, sorry I made a mistake here, it is x square it is. If you apply 7, you will get a numerator 49 minus 49, denominator 7 minus 7. So it is 0 by 0 form. So to get rid of this 0 by 0, what we can do is, we can factorize and simplify this. So you can rewrite the question like this: f of x is equal to, this can be written as x plus 7 into x minus 7, x plus 7 into x minus 7, by using a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So if for x not equal to 7, so what did I get? This x minus 7 cancelled, and this is as in the question, it is for this one 7. Now if you find LHL or RHL, suppose I find LHL, left hand limit x tends to, we are checking at the point 7. 7 is the point, indicated point or the point of partition. So 7 minus, you will be using x plus 7 because you have only x plus 7 is left. See, this is what is left, x plus 7. So you can directly apply, even though it is 7 minus, children, it means value just before 7. Approximately it is 7 only. So when you substitute, it is 7 plus 7. So you get 14. Now if you do RHL, what will happen? RHL is equal to limit x tends to, here 7 plus means a value after 7. It may be 7.0001, something like that. So there also we have not equal means you have to use this function only, x plus 7. So when you apply this one, you will be applying 7 only. So 7 plus 7, 14. Now you see LHL, RHL, and what is function value? Function value is this one, f of 7. F of 7, it is given here, it's 14. So which is equal to 14. So I can say LHL is equal to RHL, which is equal to function value. Therefore, the function is continuous at the indicated point or at 7. Let us try another question. So I am going to give another question, another type. Second question which I want to discuss is, I will give f of x is equal to sin 3x divided by x if x not equal to 0, and 3 if x equal to 0. Okay, now children, what you should understand is, if you directly apply, you will get sin 3 into 0 by 0. For LHL or RHL, if you apply 0, you will get 0 by sin 0 is 0, x is 0, so 0 by 0 form. We want to avoid. If we want to avoid, we will take the help of the result that we learned earlier, that is limit x tend to 0, sin x divided by x, which will be 1. This result I will use. To use this result, okay, let me start my work. So I will write LHL. LHL is equal to, let me use this color, limit x tend to, we are checking at the partition, point of partition is 0. 0 minus f of x. F of x is sin 3x, sin 3x divided by x. So what I would do is, I want to apply this result. I want to apply this result. To apply this result, here the angle is 3x. So I need a 3. So I multiply a 3, and here I multiply a 3. Numerator and denominator I multiply a 3. Now this becomes the result. limit x tend to 0 or even 3x tend to 0. When x tend to 0, 3x also tend. Sine 3x by sine 3x, which into 3. So this will become 1. So 1 into 3. This is by result only this becomes 1. So final answer LHL is 3. What would be RHL? RHL also it is the same thing. RHL also, right hand limit also, limit x tend to 0. Actually this is enough. We have to check only, not finding the value. So 0 plus the same work, sine 3x by x. If you want to apply limit x tend to 0, sine x by x, you need a 3 here. So I multiply 3 here and here. So what will happen is this will become 1. So this is 1 into 3, this is equal to 3. Now what is the function value given? See, function value what is given? At 0 it is 3. So f of 0 is 3. So we understand LHL is 3, RHL is 3, function value is 3, f of 3. Everything is same. So we can say function is continuous at x equal to 0, at x equal to indicated point or the point of partition. We do another type of question now. Okay, question number 3. Question number 3 is like f of x is equal to 1 minus cos x divided by x square. So if x not equal to 0. 1 if x equal to 0. Children, if you directly apply 0, what will happen is 1 minus cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So 1 minus 1, numerator will get 0. Denominator, say 0, if you put 0 square, that's surely 0. So you will get a 0 by 0 form. We cannot do directly. So what you should do is, you should remember the 11th standard formula. 1 minus cos x can be written as 2 sine square x by 2. X by 2. If this is 1 minus cos 2x, you will get 2 sine square x. 1 minus cos 4x means 2 sine square 2x. You can extend this formula to whatever you need. So here anyway it is x. This is the formula I am going to use. So I will rewrite this question like this. F of x is equal to, this I can write 2 sine square x by 2 by x. By x, not x square, if x not equal to 0. Okay, this is how I split it. And here it is 1 if x equal to 0. Children, this is 0 only, 0. Okay. Now, you may ask what is the benefit of doing like this. Still sine 0 will become 0. No, I will use the previous question. We use the result, no? Limit x tend to what? 0 sine x by x equal to. But here you have sine square. We are going to manipulate that. You see what you do is, I will write LHL like this. LHL I will be writing as limit x tends to 0 minus, I will use 2 sine square x by 2. X by 2 by x square. What I do is, I want a by 2, but I will use by 4. The reason is, when I square the function, I need a 4 only to write 2, to get a 2. So I will be multiplying a 4 like this, in the denominator and in the denominator. You see the manipulation. When I write the next step, you will get a better idea. So what I do is, I will be writing, children, I don't need this 2 and this 4 over here. That I will take it out. So I will write here 2 by 4. Constants you can always bring out of these limits. So limit x tend to 0 minus, or here you will have sine square x by 2. Sine square x by 2, I will write sine x by 2 by x by 2 the whole square. I write it like this. Okay. Now what would happen? Now the whole square, it's something like a limit x tend to 0 minus sin x by 2 by sin x by 2 into limit x tend to 0 sin x by 2 by x by 2. So using the result, it is 1 into 1. So you have here 2 by 4. This will become 1 into 1 or 1 square by using the result. To get this 2, if you want to write the whole square, I need a 4. That's why I purposefully multiplied a 4. So that you have to do a kind of calculation and work in it. So finally the answer is 2 by 4 into 1 square, or the answer is 1 by 2. So this is my LHL. So what do you need to do here? Okay. So you need to check only now. This question is to check the continuity of the question was to show that the function this question was discuss the continuity. So we are discussing the continuity of this one only here. Okay, now I got here 1 by 2, but here you have the function value is 1, so that means it is not continuous. So you should have got here 1 only, then we need not go for what? RHL, because here itself I got 1 by 2 and 1, so this is not going to work. So this is a type question. Here LHL is not equal to function value. A function value is what? F of 0. F of 0 is 1 only. So we will say it is not continuous. Okay.